Samsung's foldable Unpacked event is just around the corner, which is scheduled for the 22nd of July. Now, just before the official launch, Android Headlines has revealed official images for the whole foldable lineup, along with the exclusive Z Fold 8 colors that will be available only for online purchase. Now, there has been an alleged hands-on video leaked online, claiming it to be the upcoming Z Fold 8. However, Ice Universe has confirmed it's a fake video. So let's talk about what you should actually expect from the upcoming foldable smartphones from Samsung, especially the Galaxy Z Fold 8. So here's a quick glimpse at the 3 foldable phones in one single shot, and they look stunning as expected. These 3 phones will offer entirely different in-hand feel and foldable experience at the same time. The book-style fold is the newest addition, of course, which is called the Z Fold 8 Ultra. Now, regarding the Z Fold 8 colors, there are rumors of 2 new exclusive colors. Android Headlines showcased the pistachio version, which looks like something between light blue and gray to our eyes. And by online purchase means, you will only be able to order one directly from Samsung websites and not from physical stores. The report also mentioned another online exclusive Galaxy Z Flip 8 color as well, and it's called Mint. That's quite obvious since it looks more like a light green color. Getting back to the Z Fold 8, for the first time, Samsung is likely to introduce an anti-reflective coating on the inner display for the foldable phones. Ice Universe confirmed this in the same tweet in which he said the hands-on video was fake. Anti-reflective coating was first introduced back in 2024 with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it allows users to read more easily under direct sunlight and bright indoor lighting. So having the same display film for the foldable smartphone will surely be a welcome feature. But surely the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will feature a less visible crease than any Galaxy foldable smartphone. Well, it is not possible to entirely get rid of the crease, but Samsung will definitely try to make it invisible to the naked eye. The battery life also gets an upgrade with the upcoming Fold 8, increasing the capacity from 4,400 to 5,000 milliamp hours. So that would also increase the overall battery life, allowing you to get past the whole day even with heavy usage. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to start at $1,999 for the 256GB model, with $2,199 for 512GB and $2,499 for the 1TB top tier. These prices put Samsung's foldables firmly in premium territory, targeting professionals and early adopters willing to pay for cutting-edge form factors. So clearly the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is for you only if you want a premium productive device on the move. However, it surely craves the need for stylus support, which would make it more impactful. If you are willing to buy one, pre-order starts from the 22nd of July. Do you think Apple will be able to beat the Samsung foldables with its own folding phone?